Hey guys, a couple things. So today we're going to be setting up our Google Docs in MLA format. Most of you are either using Microsoft Word or Google Docs, so I think it's a good thing to start with. Now, we're going to start from a fresh paper. I've already titled my paper up here in the top left, MLA formatting in Google Docs. The first thing that we need to do is change our font. Most MLA papers are in Times New Roman, size 12. So first thing we're going to do is here in the toolbar, we're going to go ahead and click on font and change to Times New Roman. After that, we're going to go ahead and click font size and click to 12. Now, if you have already written your paper, like many of you already have, you are simply going to highlight all of your text and then make the changes. Okay, if you highlight all of your text and then make the changes, it will automatically change your text from Calibri, which is what it's most probably in, into Times New Roman. Now, after we have changed our font, we're going to go ahead and insert our page numbers. So up here in the toolbar, we're going to click Insert, scroll on down to Header and Page Number, move over to the right, select Page Number, and we're going to select the one in the upper left corner. Okay. This will put us up here. You'll see the number 1 highlighted by gray. The cursor will be blinking to the right. We actually want to move that to the left by clicking the left arrow and simply typing our last name in space. Okay? Once you have this, you want to click down here in the middle to bring your cursor down to your actual document. Now, it does say Severson 1 up here, and Google will automatically update it, Severson 2, Severson 3, as we move on to our next few pages. Now, on the left-hand side, we want a few things to make our paper in MLA format. First is my name, then our teacher's name, and the assignment name. For this, we're going to use literary analysis. And then we want our due date. So these assignments are due tomorrow, so March 16th, 2018. Now, we're going to add our title next. Now, we want our title to be the same font size as the rest of our paper. So we are not adding chiller, we are not making it any sort of cryptic font or font size. We're not changing it to size 32. We are keeping it the same as the rest of our paper. Now, we're going to center it by selecting in the toolbar the Center Align button. Once we have aligned it to the center, we're going to add our title. Our title should be something descriptive of our paper, but not too over the top. For this, I'm simply going to make it Literary Analysis of the American Dream. Once we have done that, we are done. We can go ahead and hit Enter and switch back to Left Align by clicking Left Align in our toolbar. Now, the last thing that we have to do, and at this point, many of you have already written your papers, is highlight all of our text. Okay, so everything in our paper gets highlighted. And we need to change it to double space. So we're going to go ahead and click Format up here in the toolbar. So Format, move on down to Line Spacing. And we want to make sure over here on the right that double is has the check mark. If it doesn't have the check mark, make sure it does by clicking double, and it will change our document so that our text is in double space. At this point, your paper should be in MLA format. You are ready to make your edits and turn in a final draft. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be happy to expand on anything in the video.